Redmi has been teasing the Turbo 5 Max for a while now, but this model won't be launching alone. Instead, it will be joined by the vanilla Turbo 5, which now seems to have run Geekbench. This means there's an online listing for it in the benchmarks database, and you can see it in the screenshot below. The Geekbench run confirms the fact that the Redmi Turbo 5 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 SoC, which was just announced less than a week ago. So a rumor from late December was right in naming this chipset as powering the Turbo 5. This chip was paired with 16 GB of RAM in the prototype that ran the benchmark with the model number 2511 FRT34C. The phone will run Android 16 from day one. It's still unclear when Redmi will make it official, but that's expected to happen by the end of this month. Stay tuned.